ngisho ukuthi ke it's hard. Where do I get my strength? I get my strength from the experience and the knowledge and the information that I have about the things that are happening in this country and how needs to be ukuthi ayilungiseke. And as abantu base South Africa, I mean, I can't wait for government to fix anything. I'm a man. I have to do something. Ngithi ngikhala as indoda kodwa ngibe ngiyaphambili. So my biggest source of power uNkulunkulu. Ngiyathandaza kakhulu bhuti wami.
uDavid uthi though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, so uhamba esigodini sethunzi lokufa every day. Now into esikhuluma ngayo ngifuna ukuthi awuyiveze iSouth Africa ikibona ukuthi ikhanda lakho liyimalini manje currently.
No,
death threats.
I can't even count. I can't even count because KwaNongoma they raised 1 million. Abanye bafika nemali enkulu bathi bacela ukuthi siyeke lento. Abanye I forwarded them to Duma wadila nabo for 2 weeks and then nabo futhi baqhela. But ngengikwazi ukubeka ifigure because there's different organizations. Sibonile some Muslim organizations nabo last week. I think last week or 2 days ago, they issued a statement ukuthi bona bayiqhelanisa nematch behlangene nabelungu and everything. Right now, siqeda ukubuya somewhere. Siqeda ukuthola ukuthi some security, some gun shop. Gun shop ne? Some gun shop. Tour from the morning. And sizoyireport kumkhwanazi, sizoyithatha. Umkhwanazi must go and investigate that gun shop. That foreigners were buying bullets today, the 28th, on my birthday. They were buying bullets. A lot of foreigners are buying bullets. A lot of white people are buying bullets. A lot of Chinese are buying bullets. A lot of illegal foreigners are buying bullets. Because you see all these security companies. We have security companies that comply with the SIRA. And this is what we are going to embark on. We're going to clean the guns on the streets. Because abantu bokufika, the illegal foreigners, baneyibhamu eyiningi kunabantu base South Africa. But by SIRA rules, they can't afford to have a gun. 2, security companies that are owned by foreign nationals, they can't have guns. Now, the reason why Nigerians, Somali, Somalians, Ethiopians, Bangladesh, the reason why begolozeli South Africa is because they have more guns.
Firepower.
They have more guns than South Africa because they own these security companies. And the warning goes to security companies. After the 30th of June, some security companies won't have work. If we see a security company in our marches coming to protect the illegal foreigners on the assumption of we are going to loot, it's an insult to come to our march and expect us to steal. We are men. We are respectable men. We love this country. We love this country more than money. You can't come to our marches uzosichaphaza usenze sibukeke ngathi siyizinja eyilambela ukudla into ebolile. So lama security companies amaningi. Every security company we have instructed in over 5,000 men that are